When you're answering questions using trigonometry, you're either going to be finding sides or angles, sometimes areas. But the first step is going to be to label up your sides of your triangles. Give them those names, hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent, before we can move on. So I'm going to do that here with these. I've been asked to find a missing side. My first step is going to be to label up that triangle. The hypotenuse is the longest side. It's opposite to the right angle. Then opposite to the angle that we're given as a reference point, we write OPP for opposite. And then, of course, the remaining side is the adjacent side. It's next to the 30-degree angle. Over here, we've been asked to find some missing side using trigonometry. First step's always going to be to label things up. The hypotenuse is the longest side and it's opposite to the right angle. Here's my reference angle, so that will be my opposite side because I go opposite to the reference angle. And then next to the reference angle, or adjacent to it, is the adjacent side. Opposite to the right angle, we have the hypotenuse. Now, we've been asked to find that angle. There's a question mark there. They're asking me to find that angle, so that'll be my reference angle. So, according to that reference angle, this side would be opposite to it. Therefore, that one there is the adjacent side. It's important to be able to label up your triangles, not just to be able to talk with other mathematicians about triangles and things, but to be able to then proceed on to finding missing sides and angles. Your first step is to identify hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent.